Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really handy piece of gear that could seriously upgrade your mobile recording setup: the Cubilux XLR microphone to USB-C cable. For anyone looking to connect their favorite XLR microphone directly to their phone, tablet, or laptop with a Type-C port, this cable promises to be a game changer. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is its straightforward design. It's truly a plug-and-play solution. You simply connect your XLR mic to one end and your USB-C device to the other, and you're ready to start recording. This simplicity is a huge win, especially for creators on the go who don't want to fuss with complicated setups. Now, regarding microphone compatibility, the Cubilux cable is designed to work seamlessly with most dynamic and ECM microphones. This means a wide range of popular mics should connect without a hitch. However, it's important to remember a crucial point. If your specific microphone requires phantom power or a dedicated preamp to function, you'll still need to incorporate those accessories into your setup. The cable itself doesn't provide phantom power, so keep that in mind when planning your recording chain. When it comes to sound quality, Cubilux has put some serious thought into it. The cable boasts oxygen-free copper wires and a 96 kHz 24-bit analog-to-digital converter. What does that mean for your audio? It translates to crystal clean, distortion-free, and static-free sound reproduction. The goal here is to preserve the original richness and clarity of your recordings, ensuring that your voice or instrument comes through exactly as it should, without any unwanted noise or degradation. This high-resolution audio capability is a significant advantage for anyone serious about their sound. Durability is another area where this cable shines. It's built with an aluminum alloy case at the connectors and features a robust braided cord. This isn't just for looks. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, whether you're coiling it up for travel or using it regularly in your home studio. The 6.6-foot length also provides a good amount of flexibility without being overly cumbersome. Finally, let's talk about its wide compatibility. This Cubilux cable works effortlessly with a vast array of devices. We're talking about laptops, desktops, and PCs with USB Type-C or Thunderbolt 4.3 ports, and a huge list of USB Type-C phones and tablets. This includes the latest iPhone 16 and 15 series, various iPad Pro and Air models, Samsung Galaxy S25, S24, S23 series, Z Fold and Flip phones, Tab S10, S9, S8 series, Google Pixel 9, 8, 7 series, and many more Android devices. This broad compatibility makes it an incredibly versatile tool for almost any modern mobile recording setup. Overall, the Cubilux XLR microphone to USB-C cable presents itself as an excellent solution for creators who want to leverage their professional XLR microphones with their portable USB-C devices. Its ease of use, focus on sound quality, and durable build make it a compelling option for anyone looking to elevate their mobile audio game.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.